Hey there my lovelies, today let's get our hands dirty and learn some new English words. We're in our garden and it's autumn. Can you guess what that means for the trees? They're starting to hibernate for the winter. To help them stay healthy we need to do some pruning. That means cutting back the dead or overgrown branches. My husband's already done the hard part, cutting the branches off. Now he's chopping them up into smaller pieces to make it easier to take them to the recycling centre. See that big saw? Oops, I don't think there is a saw there, but that's what he used for the thicker branches. But for the smaller ones, he's using a pair of loppers. We've already filled up 2 big bags with these clippings. So let's recap. Today we learned about pruning, autumn, hibernation, chopping and lopping. Pretty cool, right? Don't forget to check out my community page for more tips and tricks. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more bite-sized content. Till the next video, ta-ra for now. Happy learning.